this week's project, I've been asked to make a helmet stand. This one should be fairly easy. It'll almost be the same process as last week's donut. The idea will be to coat this in some color shifting pigment. We'll get some flowing rivers going down it since it's a really nice piece of burl with some nice crevices in it. And then once I've done that, I'll cast it in resin and turn a dome shape on the lathe. That way it'll fit inside the helmet. This is the one I use when I do my turning, but it'll be the same curve as a bicycle helmet. Just like last week, the first thing I need to do is shape the burl to fit in the mold, and then we can start doing our color shifting pigment. I'm not sure how much of that noise you can hear on camera, but it's absolutely pouring down today. The pigment I'm going to use for this project is a Ghost Chameleon. It shifts colour from blue, purple and then to red. How beautiful does this look? You wait till we put the clear over the top. All the light will bounce in different directions and it'll look even more beautiful. Now that our first layer is nice and dry, the next thing we need to do is put in our glowing rivers. And to do that, I'm just going to use some UV resin. I'm not too sure which colour I should go with. I know I should go with the blue since I'm simulating water, but I do like the contrast of the green. Let me know in the comments, which colour would you pick? That's looking pretty good. Now since the piece of burl I chose has a lot of voids in it, I'm going to pop this one in the pressure pot and let it cure overnight. Wow, that looks awesome. You know what? I think you guys are gonna have to wait until I turn this one before I show it to you. It looks so good. have a love-hate relationship with resin. I love turning it, but I hate cleaning it up. Look at all this mess. How good is that Ghost Chameleon pigment? That colour shift from purple to blue, it's bloody insane. I just can't get over how much it colour shifts. If you want to try this same pigment, it's called Ghost Chameleon. It shifts from blue, purple and then to red. It's made by a company called Solar Color Dust. If you want to check them out, I'll leave a link in the description. I know I made this to hold a bicycle helmet, but I reckon when I ship it to the customer, they might not even want to use it for that. They might use it as an art piece, or like a paperweight or a desk ornament. Well, that's all for this week's episode. I hope you enjoyed this one. I think it looks amazing. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.